Hey guys, just wanted to cover with you your last thing from topic 2.3, which is standard form equations. But this is going to be actually how to graph and how to recognize horizontal and vertical lines. So it's a fairly easy skill to do, and I just wanted to walk you guys through the IXL that you guys are expected to do. So if we see here, this is all going to be based off of if it's x equals or y equals. So whenever you have x equals, that means that it's going to be a vertical line. And the reason is because no matter what the value for y, x is always going to be -5. So you can see as I kind of go along here, -5, that this is going to make this a straight up and down vertical line. So in order to make sure that you graph this on IXL, you just need to pick x equals -5 and more than one point. It does not matter which of the points you choose along x equals -5. You just need to make sure that you pick one. Okay, so then here we've got another x equals 8. So that would mean for us that we're going to go over here to +8. We're going to select one point at 8. And like I said, it does not matter which one. And then we can go ahead and hit submit. And then this one is at y equals -2. So just like how x was a vertical line, y is actually going to be a horizontal line. So it's actually kind of the opposite of what you'd expect. And same reason as before applies. That is because no matter what the value for x is, y is always going to be -2. So we can go ahead and select any 2 points at -2 and submit, and we are correct. So it is that simple. The other skill that you guys are expected to do is in order to recognize what the equation is of a vertical or horizontal line. So we can see this is vertical, which should tell us that that's going to be x equals. And we can see no matter what y equals, x is 10. So we're just going to write down here, x is equal to 10. This is a horizontal line. And no matter what x is, y is 1. So we can write y equals 1. So it is that simple, guys. Hopefully this short little video got you where you needed to go. If you have any questions, just let me know.